Forests don't rely on chance. They rely on systems. Every collapse creates opportunity. This is where regulation begins. Decay is not failure, it's activation. Fungal networks awaken beneath the surface. These structures are not plants, they are delivery systems. Pressure builds, release is inevitable. This is spore dispersal. They don't spread randomly. Only specific species are affected. Contact is enough. They penetrate without force. The nervous system is hijacked first. Control is transferred. The insect is still alive, but no longer autonomous. Termination is precise. The host becomes a nutrient engine. This is reproduction. Population control achieved. Nothing is wasted. Equilibrium restored. No toxins, no residue. This system operates worldwide. Millions of years perfected this. This is not aggression. This is regulation. What you're seeing is not death, it's nature regulating itself.
What you are about to witness is not chaos. It is not death. It is not destruction. It is nature regulating itself with precision so perfect, it almost feels intentional. Deep in the heart of the forest, life and death are entwined in a system older than human memory, operating silently beneath the trees. When storms rage and mighty trees topple, the forest floor transforms into a stage for a spectacle few have ever seen. Fallen giants decay, and from this decay awakens an invisible network of threads, microscopic yet powerful, spreading beneath the rotting were like veins of life, connecting the forest in ways our eyes cannot perceive. These are the mycelium networks, the hidden architects of balance, sensing, growing, and preparing the ecosystem for the next act. From the decaying trunks, mushrooms emerge slowly at first, then with a rapid crescendo, each cap pulsing with life, each structured delivery system waiting to unleash its cargo. Inside, spores build, countless microscopic missiles, waiting for the perfect moment to launch into the world. When that moment comes, they are released not by chance, but with deliberate precision, carried by invisible currents that guide them through the air with uncanny accuracy. And there, drifting in their path, unaware and unprepared, are insects. The spores attach, penetrate, and begin their silent conquest. What appears magical is in fact meticulous biology. Once inside the insect, the spores spread, infiltrating its internal systems like a microscopic army, silently taking control. Nerves light up under their influence, behavior becomes erratic, and the insect is no longer its own master. Movement continues, but autonomy is gone. Within hours, vital systems shut down one by one, and what seems like death is instead transformation. The insect body becomes a nutrient factory, feeding the fungus from within, providing the raw material it needs to grow and reproduce. The fungus emerges outward in intricate, geometric patterns, ready to release new spores and continue its mission. Population control is achieved, silently efficiently, and without error. Beneath the fallen trees, nutrients enrich the soil as decomposition releases life-giving minerals. Roots drink deeply, new shoots rise, and the forest regenerates. This is equilibrium restored. Compared to human pesticides, this system is flawless. No toxins, no collateral damage, no interference. And while we glimpse only fragments, the forests of the world are quietly coordinating, regulating populations, recycling nutrients, and maintaining balance for millions of years without a single hand to guide them. Each fallen tree, each mushroom, each insect caught in this web of life is a note in a symphony of survival. It is not death you are seeing, it is regulation, adaptation, and continuity. The forest is alive, not only in its trees and plants, but in its unseen threads, its spores, its insects, and the precise orchestration of forces hidden from human eyes. The fungal life cycle unfolds in a dance of infection, transformation, and reproduction, a choreography perfected over millennia. Spores spread with uncanny timing, infecting only targeted hosts, hijacking their nervous systems, and converting their bodies into living factories. The system maintains balance across countless species, silently ensuring that no one population overruns another, that nutrients are recycled, and that new life has room to flourish. This is biological mastery, executed quietly, flawlessly, and endlessly. Even in destruction, there is creation. Even in death, there is purpose. And it is all conducted without haste, without panic, without failure. It is nature at its most sophisticated, at its most precise, and at its most awe-inspiring. When you look upon a fallen tree, a mushroom releasing spores, or an insect immobilized in place, understand that what you see is part of grand design far beyond our comprehension. Life and death coexist, not in conflict, but in harmony. This is a hidden system of the forest, a secret orchestra of life and death, playing silently, perfectly balanced, eternally hidden. And yet, once revealed, it leaves us in awe, marveling at the genius of evolution, the hidden intelligence of ecosystems, and the delicate, astonishing machinery that sustains all life on Earth. This is not fiction. This is science. This is survival. This is the forest regulating itself. What you're seeing is not death. It's nature regulating itself.